Did you know that there are only a handful of condo towers on Pensacola Beach that actually sit on the beach itself, where you don't have to cross a road to get to the beach? Well, I'm standing in one of them right now. It's Souci, and it has been a crowd pleaser for decades. This condo building is 7 stories tall. It has very nice, spacious units, and it sits directly on the Gulf for beach access. So the property actually has 4 acres that the property sits on, and including the beach, and really nice just to be able to pull your car in, park in the private parking spot, undercover in the parking garage, uh, leave your car there, take your shoes off, throw your bathing suit on, and you literally don't have to leave this unit to go anywhere. You could walk across the street to go to Peg Leg Pete's, which is a favorite, but other than that, there's really no reason to get in the car to go anywhere once you get here. So I'm really looking forward to showing you this unit. It is a rarity in that it has 3 bedrooms and also 1,613 square feet. It is one of the larger 3 bedroom units available at Souci, and these units never come available for sale. This particular unit, I helped the folks buy it about 5 years ago. Hadn't been on the market since. I think one other in all those years had actually hit the market. So it's really a rare property to come up. 3 bedrooms, 1,613 square feet, and going for $844,000. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So let's take a look. So when you get off the elevator, you're on the north side of the building overlooking the Sound. You've got Peg Leg Pete's down below, which is always a favorite, and then open views to the Sound and to the north, overlooking Gulf Breeze. As you get to the unit, you're undercover, of course. The first thing you really notice is the scale, and of course you're greeted by the view out the window too, out the sliding door onto the Gulf, which is really, it speaks for itself. Emerald waters, white sand beaches. We're going through summer nourishment right now, so it's a little bit tracked up, but it'll give you a flavor as to what we've got here. So we've got seating for 6 at a very good sized table. The place does come furnished. And how do you like this view from your sink as you're prepping food, looking out towards the beach, out over the water, and just out to the horizon? Kitchen is fully equipped. It's rental ready. So all of your dishes, small appliances are here. Newer appliances in this unit. Plenty of seating in the dining area, and then a really nice sized living room, which accommodates full-size couch, sofa, and then a couple of club chairs. The porch itself, the balcony, metal railing, outdoor dining at a tall 2-top, and then there's another set of tall Adirondacks to the right. Place is painted in a very light, like a coastal sky blue, accents with some wood, whitewashed wood. This unit has a washer and dryer, which is not in every unit. There is a laundry downstairs, but not every unit comes with a washer and dryer. You're going to really see in these older units the size of the rooms. This is the primary. Big walkways, big king size bed and a oversized couch sitting area. Every room has just these magnificent views. All the windows are impact glass. The building itself has just gone through getting a new roof, making some exterior improvements with balconies, windows, doors. All of the heavy lifting has been done at this condo. And so the new owner will be able to enjoy it without having, future, assessments anytime soon. Ensuite bath. The sink is seamless to the countertop. And just a, nice, clean, coastal look and feel. Solid, cultured shower, molded. There are tile floors throughout this unit. And lots of owner's closets. There's 3 owner's closets here that the current owners use for when they come to town. Second bedroom, again, nice size king bed, amply sized and side tables. And again, it's hard to beat these views. It's a pretty day out there. This says it all right here. Sea, sand, surf. This room is a pale green. And all of the artwork is just, coastal and fun and has some whimsy. Here's your guest bath. Again, it's got the solid, smooth shower walls with a built-in seat. The vanities, everything is consistent with the other bathroom. Very cohesive. This guest bath does also serve the 3rd bedroom. Which is on this side. On a split plan. Again, you're greeted by the Gulf waters and our white quartz sand beaches. Now, this room does have, I believe that's a queen bed, and then the twin. Queen or full? I'm pretty sure it's a queen. The property has only recently come onto the rental market. It was used by the current owners for their enjoyment, for their family. And it only came on the rental market this past winter. It already has $48,000 of bookings. And the rental projection is for it to earn about 65 this year, which is, for the first year of rental, is pretty solid. That also does include the owners having blocked out the whole month of October and also some prime weeks in the summer. And that is for their enjoyment. Now, if someone was interested in purchasing this unit, they would acquire the current rentals that are on the books. It's rented through Southern Resort, and they've been, doing the property management. They're the ones that have the cleaning people come check on the place, with the owners being out of state, and they just basically take care of the whole property. So you can feel it has a really nice sense of space and scale. Really calming colors, nice casual look and feel about it. Very well cared for and very much loved. Just noticed we've got that long here of the place.
So let's take a walk down to the grounds and I'll show you around a bit. It's a really pretty spring day here in Pensacola. I'm anxious to get down to the beach. This is all the Fort Pickens Road. And then heading that way to the west is the Fort Pickens and the National Seashore. You can see the proximity of this property to the beach. And there's a lovely private pool, swimming lanes that sits right on the dune. This is the parking garage. Not all of the units have a parking space. This particular unit does come with its own assigned spot, which is a real bonus. You can see where they've got shopping carts kind of help you unload and bring your things up. It's nice and sheltered. And easy in, easy out. This spot on the end is for 602. Well, we've got some birds frolicking. Looks like spring is definitely in the air, and you can see where it is a gated community. And Souci is a great looking building, very well kept. Has kind of an old Hollywood or old Hollywood, South Florida feel to it. Solid concrete construction, extremely well built. And an easy walk across the street to Peg Leg Pete's. Great grouper nuggets. fresh oysters. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is CHRIS REID, Emerald Coast Realty, signing out. Feel free to give me a call anytime. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I'll be dropping new videos regularly. Take care and have fun at the beach.